What is up, guys? It's Puck Drop here. I saw the first video get over 100 views. Actually, I have a video that got 2,000 views, but we'll talk about that later. The second video got 37 views. I think you guys liked it when I was opening the packs, like every single one. I'm not gonna show the reselling, but I will show that. My last video had a little bit of it cut, because I opened like a couple more packs, but I only got like uncommons and rares, so it isn't that bad. Let's see what we get on Blooket though. Let's hope we get something good. See what the simulation says. We get 2? No, we're not getting 2. What? Wait, no, we can't, because I already got 2 sugar gliders, so we gotta redo that. No, that can't happen. Why does it keep on giving me 0? Because I already got 6. 4 in one day? Oh, my PC is running low. Alright, it's recording. Okay, so, yeah, let's just do it. I mean, yeah. Hold on, it's loading. Hold up a sec. Okay, let's do this. So, we're going to do a total of 20 packs today. Then we'll do some others too. Okay. Uncommon streak, 3. Nope. A rare. Uncommon streak, 1. Uncommon streak, 2. 3. 4. One time I got like 14. 5. 6. 7. 8. No way. 9. 10. What is happening? 11. 12. Finally. Okay. Alright, time for some last pack magic. And koala. Alright. See you guys when I resell. Alright, so I got 146 coins. Let's do this. 5 packs. Alright. Kookaburra. We get an epic. I hope we get an epic. We got 2 rares in a row. Another rare. I'm not mad. I'd rather rares than uncommons, obviously. Okay. See you when I resell everything. Alright. I'm back. Let's open some more packs. Just 3. Time for some last pack magic. A rare. Wish that could have been a chroma, but I mean, we're not gonna pull one for a while, so yeah. Alright, see you when I'm done reselling. Alright, so I believe we can only do 1 pack. Just double check it, yeah. Last pack magic. Close your eyes. Drum roll, please. Okay, let's do this. It didn't go. We can still resell that and do 1 more pack. Am I a little mad? Maybe. Hold on. Blooket was being a little glitchy, so I had to pause it for a moment. Just had to refresh it. Okay. I think this is going to be the true final pack. See what we pull. And we pulled an uncommon. See ya for day 4. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Puck Drop. Let me know if you want any more content like this. The first video got 100 views. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate you. And we'll see all of you in the next one.